Hey guys, and welcome back to Programming Done Right. Okay, so today, what are we going to be creating? Well, today we're going to be creating like a program that tracks the prices of companies and stocks, okay? And this is a pretty cool program, even if you don't follow stocks like I don't, but it's just a cool program to try out your Python skills. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up terminal or command prompt or whatever, right? Whatever you use to pip install things, right? And actually, if you don't have Python installed, you need Python for this because we're going to be using Python today for everything we're doing, and pip install won't work with Python. So without Python, I meant. So you need to install Python. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to open up your command prompt or terminal. I use the command prompt because I'm on Windows, right? So you want to open up this command prompt, okay? Once you're done with that, you just want to write pip install yahoo-fin. And then you want to press enter. Okay. Then it should download and it'll say download successfully done. For me, I've already done it, so it's just going to say, you're done, so it's not going to say, it just said like requirement already satisfied. The next thing you want to do is you want to create a new file. Once you've created a new file, all you have to write is from yahoo-fin, yahoo_fin, import, and then you want to write stock_info, okay, because that's all we need today. And now we have to ask them for the company that they want to know stocks on. So company equals input. What company would you like to see the value of? And then we want to ask them to put in the ticker symbol. And if you don't know what a ticker symbol is, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly. So, when you go on Google and let's say I write Apple stock, right? You're going to see that next to this, there's going to be an asterisk. And then it's going to say AAPL, right? So that's the ticker symbol, and that's how that's how this works. This program. So it needs to know the ticker symbol. That's how yahoo-fin works, right? And it's also easier just because if somebody put Microsoft, it would probably not return the right value because it's Microsoft Corporation. So it's just easier with the ticker symbol actually. So you can just write. Please enter the ticker, or just the ticker, or we can just say symbol, right? Okay, once we've done that, you want to always add a space just to give a little bit of breathing room. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to actually, you want to put this in a try and accept block. So what a try and accept block is, you just want to write this first. Okay. So you might be wondering what a try and accept block is. So basically, what a try and accept block is, you just put some code into here, okay? And if an error occurs in this code, it's going to go to the accept block, and then it's going to perform the accept block. But if the code runs in the try block, then it won't go to the accept block. The reason that we want this is because if the company doesn't exist. If it doesn't exist, what we want to do is we want to go to the accept block, and we want to print this company doesn't exist, right? So now what we want to write is we just want to write price equals to stock info dot get underscore live price, okay? And then we want to put the company, so com, right? Once we've done that, we just want to print it, print price, price space price. Okay, that's good. And now we can just write, if this doesn't work, print ticker invalid. And you can write a big error message. I'm just going to make this very simple. Prices D. Okay? Yeah, okay. So now you just want to run this, and let's check this out. Let's see how it's working. Okay, so it's asking me, which one do you want to see the thing? I'm interested in Apple. Let's see, APPL. Okay, there is. It's going to ticker invalid. So that means that we either put it in wrong or we did something wrong with the code. And we did something wrong with the code. Now you might be wondering, what did we do wrong? Okay, the thing about try and except is if it's any error, which means there was an error in our work. And I purposely put an error for you guys to see this because we have to put str price. We have to put it like this, okay? So because it's an integer variable or a number, it won't be printed because it has to be converted to a string variable. A string variable is like letters and anything in these quotes. So we have to convert it. So that's how we do str and then in parentheses, price, okay? Now that we've done that, let's try it one more time. And now it should work. Let's try it. Okay. APL. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna need a lot of money to buy Apple. Now I think this is like one stock price. Yeah. So this is only like one piece of stock, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm not an expert with stocks or anything. I just thought this was a fun project to try out. So I recommend you try it out. And because I like to add challenges at the end of my video, anybody who can make a user interface with this program will get featured in my next video. So please put that down in the comments. That's all for this week. And bye, programming done right. But before we go, I just realized that I have a pretty big announcement I would like to say. So I found this really nice program that I thought of this really nice program that we could do, and it's a notepad. You know how like our computers have notepads? I was thinking that we could build one with Python. New files, saving files, it'd be really, really cool, and a lot of code, but it would be really, really cool. So I was thinking that if we get to 50 subscribers, which we're really close to, we need like 4 more subscribers, then I'm gonna release that video. So tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video so we can get more subscribers and we can get more views so that I can release this video because I work really hard on these videos and it's really greatly appreciated. That's all for this week. Bye, programming done right.